Hi, my name is Bertrand Schneider, and I'm an assistant professor at the Harvard Graduate School of Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use mobile eye trackers to capture a central construct in the social sciences, joint visual attention. Joint visual attention has been extensively studied by psychologists and has been found to be closely correlated to the quality of the interactions between group members. It turns out that when people build a common ground and create a shared understanding of a task, they tend to frequently look at the same place at the same time. Traditionally, researchers have studied joint visual attention qualitatively by manually coding videos. I'm going to show you how we can use mobile eye trackers to get a quantitative measure of this construct in colocated settings.
In this video, we will be using the JoVE Pro Glasses 2. These glasses are wearable eye trackers that can capture eye movements in real-world environments. In addition to specialized cameras on the frame to track eye movements, the device is also equipped with a full HD scene camera and a microphone, so the gaze behavior can be visualized within the context of the wearer's visual field. For these glasses, gaze data is captured 50 times per second, and the live video feed from the glasses can be streamed to a computer either wirelessly or through an Ethernet cable. The glasses do have one limitation though, as they will not work over regular eyeglasses. The procedure to set up the eye tracker is relatively straightforward. First, the participants will be asked to put on the eye tracking glasses as they would a normal pair of glasses. Based on the participants' distinct facial features, nose pieces with different heights might need to be used to preserve data quality.